Okay, so I don't know what happened, but the phone cut off. And so I'm gonna get this sold. What I did was I came right down the hallway and I opened up the power cord and I plugged it in there. And then I will plug it in over here. Let's see which way this probably. Okay. Perfect. Turn the power. This is the power switch. On, off. We'll turn it on for now. Now looks like it has a bobbin through there. But I'm gonna double check. Oh yeah, it's actually ready with the bobbin. Okay. So we just need to get a roll of thread out and pull this up so it can hold it and thread it through and start. Okay, so I'll use pink because it'll match it better. I don't have red or orange right now. I gotta get more. So let me put this on here and we'll loop it through there. We'll go down this way. We'll go up here, pull it through there. And then down here we go, and it goes, okay, hold on. Let me grab my scissors. Okay. Alright, let me see here.
I got that.
I'm going to put it through there, and then I'm going to thread it. You thread it through this little hole right here. You're not. Keep it down, okay? I'm recording. Okay, now let me see. Let's put it through. I gotta cut it so it doesn't have this extra. See the extra thread like hanging off, kind of like that. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Get a perfect little cut. Good. So, okay, let's start putting that one through. This is pretty easy once you know what you're doing or you get the hang of it. Okay. Okay, and then you pull. Okay, and then you gotta make sure it goes through the foot in the middle there. Line it up with both of these. So you hold them together and then kind of give a little pull so they're even. Okay, so now I'm gonna start sewing. So it might be it might get a little bit loud.
Mom, did you hear that?
Huh?
Like these two girls are having a tea party, but then this little girl saw something in the back room, and then she started crying, walking away, then the other girl looked back, and something like screamed like
Holy smokes.
and then she came up and
In the meantime, we're watching scary videos on YouTube, on the TV right now, so. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off these threads that are hanging off like this. I don't know if you can see, but I'm cutting these ones off. And then getting ready to sew it. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm lining up.
my look.
Yeah.
I had to cover this one.
Okay. Now let me see here.
Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna buy it, and I'm gonna wait too, okay?
Yeah, let's look at the material. We line it up like this, inside out. And there's Peanut playing with her Barbies, waiting. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop recording and I will show you the results once I'm done sewing in just a few minutes.